Now, once you've saved your EndNote library, your screen will look something like this, although it won't have any references in it just yet. You'll have 3 layout panes. You'll have one on the left that will include all references, maybe recently added, any that you've sent to the trash. And you'll also have some groups, which we'll investigate in a bit more depth a bit later on. You'll have a viewing pane in the center, which will have a list of all of the references in your library. And over on the right-hand side, we have a editing pane that will allow you to make edits to any of these references. We have a preview tab where we can preview what the reference will look like. And we also have an attached PDF section to see any PDFs that have been attached to that particular reference. We're going to take a look at some icons at the top of the page. We have our bibliographic output style drop-down in the left-hand side. We can see that that's set to APA 7th. But if I choose the drop-down, I can see a selection of other referencing styles that are within the EndNote program. If I move along to this icon with a plus sign, this is the icon that will open up a new reference form and will allow me to add in references manually. We have an icon here for Go to Word Processor, which will allow me to toggle between my Word document and my EndNote library. I have a question mark for the Help menu. So that has some contents here about features within EndNote, and there's also quite a useful search function within that feature as well. And we have an option to show or hide the search pane. Now, another icon that I did want to show you while we're here is the online search icon. Now, it can be tempting to try and run some searches using this feature within EndNote. However, I wouldn't recommend that you use this feature to search Charles Sturt Library's collection, because this feature doesn't search comprehensively, so it won't give you a reliable indication of the resources available. So the best way for you to search our collection is to use Primo Search or the library databases from our website, and then to export those citations into your EndNote library, and we'll look at that in a bit more detail in a moment.